Hi, it's Penny Lython. I had a suggestion from a subscriber, and it was about my hair. And they said, even though your hair is already so beautiful, we think you should try to put some other colors in your hair. And they suggested that I try this. Hot Huez. Hot Huez. Makes your hair very hot, I guess. It has instructions on it. Press, slide, and color. So it's supposed to be very easy and give you instant glamorous fun, and it creates eye-popping color that glides on. Do not use around the eyes. Oh, that probably means I should put my goggles on my eyes while I do this. Do not ingest. So you could taste it, but don't swallow it. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. So if irritation occurs, I will discontinue use immediately. Okay, let's try it. Okay, first things first, I must put on my goggles. It's very important. Ooh. Can't see it very well with my goggles on, but I think it's beautiful so far. Try a green one this time. Okay, it's very pretty. Ooh, I don't want to get hair chalk in my eyeballs. The purple strand right here. Okay, I would recommend this product. Okay, I really like the Hot Huez. I think it makes me and my hair look really hot. So I think you should get some, and you should try it too. And if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and please draw a picture of me. Thank you. Penny Lython loves you. Have a nice day. Bye.